Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear my AI data on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, after you click on your profile icon, click on the settings icon here, and now here you'll find uh, clear my AI data. Click on it and click confirm, and it will be delete all my AI data, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.